So is that much better? Is it much cleaner? I know one thing, you guys have gotten fat. You guys are almost as big as Raptor. And look at you, Mrs. Pullet, or Mrs. Heavy. You're bigger than him. Whew. Well, I guess I know who's in charge now, huh? But yeah, you guys blew up like blimps. You were all small enough to hold in my hand, and now I'd have to hold you both with 2 hands. Jeez. By the way, they love watermelon, and they love pumpkins. Whew. Those are some big old chickens. Hey, Raptor, I'd be careful getting onto them like that. They'll team up on you.